600 कितने दे? 600 50 ठीक है।
urban conglomeration in this country. So to that extent, obviously, this is an area.
This COVID is an evolving field. We do not know which drug is working, which drug is not working. That is, it's a lot of drugs are being repurposed for the use of COVID, whether it be for prophylaxis or for the treatment of COVID. Now we all know that chloroquine is a very old anti-malarial drug for several, it's been in use for nearly 100 years. And the hydroxychloroquine is even safer. And if I do not know, I belong to the generation when we had inland. Looking at the risk benefit, we found that possibly it is more that we should not deny our frontline workers and healthcare workers who are going to be dealing with the patients of COVID and can get some treatment. At the same time, we also said that the use of people. We looked at the data from these observational studies as well as from the case control studies, and what we found that it may be working. So therefore, and we also found that there were no major side effects except nausea, and that was from the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission results of all the people that were being monitored for hydroxychloroquine. And therefore we found that much of them were complaining of nausea or vomiting.
Patients waiting. Today we have a very special day.
The executive group has implemented a temporary pause of the hydroxychloroquine arm within the Solidarity trial while the safety data is reviewed by the Data Safety Monitoring Board. The other arms of the trial are continuing. This concern relates to the use of hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine in COVID-19.
And Dr. Sidi and my